Medical instruments from Zepf satisfy all relevant legal guidelines and are subject to a strict incoming goods inspection. For quality assurance, we used a modular CAQ system FS8000. Scanning the label assigns the relevant inspection criteria. The inspection order is started by measurement data acquisition. The inspection is always carried out in line with the acceptable quality level AQL 2.5, which specifies the inspection quantity based on the batch size. The first step is to check if the instrument is the correct model. A drawing helps make a precise classification. In addition, both the single image and our catalog page is recorded. Only if the instrument and model match is the result confirmed with 1 and evaluated as compliant. In the second step, the service properties are inspected and evaluated using the same schema. We then usually evaluate measurements such as total length, width, and height using a caliper or a measuring plate. Depending on the item, further characteristics are then scrutinized, such as hardness, but also solder joints, jaw serrations, or teeth. The complete procedure is repeated for each instrument in a specified sample size. After all measurements have been completed, a corresponding inspection report is created and automatically transferred to the document management system. We would be delighted to receive any further suggestions or questions at info@zepf-medical-instruments.de.